Welcome to the ECMS demo series. Today, I'll show you how you can manually send a dictation through ECMS's AI-powered speech-to-text. Depending upon a job's assigned properties, recordings can be sent to speech-to-text for transcription. This can be done automatically in the job's workflow setup, or jobs can be selected and sent manually to speech-to-text. To manually send jobs to speech-to-text, select one or more recordings from your list and click Send to Speech-to-Text. Once processing finishes, the speech-to-text icon appears. You can then view both the transcript and summary for the recording. This has been a quick overview of ECMS's manual speech-to-text feature. To learn more, please contact ZephyrTec at 877-493-7497 or by emailing info@zephyr-tech.com and visit our website at zephyr-tech.com/ECMS.